Open chemical innovation. In this concept, businesses, government bodies and knowledge institutes are working together to develop the chemical industry within a region. Together they look at relevant developments and set common goals. They share knowledge, freely exchanging ideas and information within networks. A chemicals cluster attracts highly educated knowledge workers who boost the economy and puts the region back on the map. Due to increasing competition on the world market, Europe is increasingly focusing on top-level and knowledge technology, with the chemicals industry being an essential part of that. To make recommendations to the EU about the chemicals industry, 21 European regions unite in the ECRN. 10 of these regions have decided to work together and learn from each other in the area of innovation policy and cluster formation. They're joining forces in the CHEMCLUST project. In one of the CHEMCLUST pilot projects, the regions of Limburg, Asturias, Schleswig-Holstein and Navarra are studying the concept of open chemical innovation. In 2005, Limburg was still a province in which economic development was lagging behind. That was until government bodies, DSM and Maastricht University started working together on the CHEMCLUST campus, an industrial estate where chemicals companies share knowledge in order to create innovative products. For example, through the DSM Global Network, the small company Isobionics has gained access to the global market, while Korea Materials makes use of the know-how, R&D and equipment of companies like DSM and Sabik. In other words, at the CHEMCLUST campus, a mind shift is taking place. Knowledge is no longer property there, but a tool for unlocking new markets. Limburg has created an environment within which like-minded companies of any age and size can benefit from shared knowledge, short distances, and excellent facilities. Because Limburg is sharing its experiences with Asturias, Schleswig-Holstein, and Navarra, these regions can also take the next step in open chemical innovation. In the north of Germany, an idea for the future has been developed. It involves Schleswig-Holstein setting up a chemical cluster aimed at innovation and cooperation. This could be extended to Hamburg and Lower Saxony, but the first important step is to secure the political commitment of the three regions. In northern Spain, the idea is for small and medium-sized businesses in Asturias to develop ties with big companies in the region, such as Bayer. Through open R&D&I, the region could then grow as a whole. The University of Oviedo could act as the director of this development. In northern Italy, there's already an innovation hub for chemicals, EBIS. In the future, this organization could be formalized so that there would be more service provision for small and medium-sized enterprises, and hence greater scope for open working. Open chemical innovation is a relatively new concept, but the results have been so good that CHEMCLUST feels it's important to share them at the European level. Because ultimately, we have one single shared goal: a European chemical sector that can face the future in the best of health.